Timor-Leste's Prime Minister Karala Guzmão and his delegation paid a courtesy visit to VSIP Bac Ninh, one of Vietnam's leading industrial parks. During the visit, the Prime Minister observed the park's industrial infrastructure and management system, while holding discussions with local authorities on ASEAN integration, economic cooperation, and industrial development. Prime Minister Shanana highlighted the importance of learning from Vietnam's successful industrialization experience. He emphasized that industrial development plays a crucial role in creating jobs, attracting investment, and driving sustainable economic growth. Officials from Bac Ninh province presented the province's achievements, industrial development, and investment promotion, expressing their willingness to strengthen cooperation with Timor-Leste through knowledge sharing and future partnerships. The visit concluded with both sides reaffirming their commitment to expanding cooperation in industry, investment, and economic development.